If you want to get into digital marketing, this video is for you. Every company in the world has one ultimate goal, which is sales. But here's the truth. Sale only happen when you target the right audience. And in this game, the real hero is not the brand, it's the customer. Now think about it, you get a 50% discount message on WhatsApp. Zomato reminds you it's chai time. Or you search for a mobile and start seeing ads for it everywhere. The beauty of this field is it's so diverse. If you're creative, you can build career in social media marketing, video content, influencer campaigns. If you're more technical, you can dive into SEO, Google Ads, performance marketing, email, or SMS marketing. Whatever your strength is, digital marketing has a place for you. From a very small startup to $1 billion company, growth always depends on one thing, their marketing strategy. And with 3 billion people online, digital marketing ensures you reach customers exactly where they are. In fact, 93% of consumers check brands' online presence before making a purchase. That's why if a business isn't visible digitally, it's almost invisible to customers. Whether you're a fresher, a student, or a professional, digital marketing is one of the smartest career paths to start today. Marketing is what turns small business into billion-dollar giant. Think about Amazon, Zomato, or Nike. Behind every big brand, there's always a powerful marketing strategy. And it's digital marketers who make that strategy work. And I have seen up this close while working in the content marketing. Now, digital marketing is a very broad term, and when I say broad, I really mean it. It's not about just running ads or posting on Instagram. It's a complete ecosystem. It includes things like content marketing and SEO, social media marketing, product marketing, performance marketing, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, and now even artificial intelligence in marketing and GEO. And if you're just starting out, I know all these words might sound a bit heavy, but trust me, once I show you with examples, it will all make sense. Think about it like this, we're just sitting and chatting and I'm showing you how your favorite brands actually use these strategies in real time. Now before starting, just remember one thing. At the end of the day, the goal is growth, conversion and revenue. So whatever you learn it with the right mindset. Let's begin with the first big pillar, which is content marketing and SEO. I will tell you honestly, I also work in this field and the biggest mistake I see beginner make is thinking content is just about writing blogs or making videos. No, content is about storytelling with purpose, getting visibility and turning that visibility into business outcomes. For example, imagine you have a product called XYZ. Maybe it's a fitness app. If someone types best fitness app for beginners into Google, your goal is to make sure that XYZ appears on the first page of search result. Why? Because 75% of people don't even go beyond the first page. And that is where SEO comes in. Search engine optimization. It has two big parts. On-page SEO, things you do inside your content like keyword headings and meta description. And off-page SEO, things you do outside your website like backlinks and authority building. And then there's a CRO, conversion rate optimization. Because traffic alone doesn't pay bills, conversion do. You could be bringing 1 lakh visitors every month, but if they don't sign up, download or buy, you are just building vanity numbers. Think about real-world example like HubSpot. They have mastered content marketing so well that when you search for anything related to marketing strategy, CRM or sales funnel, HubSpot content appear right there. Why? Because their content isn't just random, it's designed to bring leads to their system and eventually convert them into paying customer. The tool you can learn here includes Google Analytics, SEMrush, Href, and Suffer SEO for keyword planning and performance. Also tools like Grammarly and Jasper AI to refine and scale your content. But remember the golden rule, content should always serve awareness, engagement, and sales. Don't create for the sake of creating, create to convert. Now let's move to social media marketing. Social media marketing is the heartbeat of the internet. But here's the catch. Likes and comments don't equal revenue unless you know how to use them. Social media marketing is about brand positioning, storytelling, and engagement that eventually nudges people towards buying. Think of how Zomato does it. Their witty posts and memes on Instagram aren't just for entertainment. They are clever nudges to keep their brand top of the mind whenever you think of ordering food. Now, how do you start? First, you need to understand organic growth versus paid growth. Organic is when you grow through reels, posts, shorts, community building, and brand storytelling. Paid is when you use ads on Meta, Instagram, and LinkedIn. A real example here is how Nike uses both organic campaign like Just do it to inspire communities and hyper-targeted ad for product launches to boost direct sales. Now, if you're learning social media marketing, focus on tools like Meta Business Suite, Hootsuite, Buffer, and Canva. Canva especially is a lifesaver for beginners who don't have design skills but still want to make professional posts. Next comes product marketing. This is where digital marketing truly blends with business strategy. Product marketing is about understanding your product deeply and then creating a narrative that positions in the market. Let's take Apple as an example. They don't just sell iPhones, they sell an ecosystem, a lifestyle, and exclusivity. Their marketing isn't about features, it's about feeling or owning something premium. Now, if you're working in product marketing, your journey starts with market research, competitor analysis, customer segmentation, and positioning. You will learn how to build a buyer persona, how to craft messaging that appeals to their pain point, and how to align sales team with marketing team to ensure the product sells. Tools like Mixpanel, Amplitude, and Product Board are great for analyzing customer behavior. Now remember, in product marketing, you are not just promoting, you are teaching the market why your product matters. Now next, let's talk about performance marketing. This is the engine that runs on data. Performance marketing is all about measurable results. You put in dollars, you track exactly how much you get back. Google ad, Facebook ad, YouTube ads, all fall under this. But here's where mindset of marketing and sales comes in. Performance marketers don't think in terms of views or likes. They think in terms of CPM, cost per thousand impression, or CPC, cost per click, CPA, cost per acquisition, and ROAS, return on ad spend. Let's say you're running an ad for an e-commerce store selling headphones. If you spend $1,000 on ad and bring $5,000 in sales, that's ROAS of 5x. That's performance marketing success. Look at brands like Myntra during festive seasons. They spend a huge budget on performance ad, but every rupee is optimized for conversion. If you want to get into this, tools like Google Ads, Facebook Ad Manager, LinkedIn Ad, and Google Tag Manager are essential. You will also need analytic skills to constantly test, tweak, and optimize campaigns. Now next comes the affiliate marketing. This is a beautiful model where you don't do all the work yourself. You let your partner do it for you and you share the revenue. For example, Amazon's affiliate program is one of the biggest in the world. If you run a blog about fitness, you can put affiliate links for gym equipment, protein powders, or even Amazon's own fitness gear. Every time someone clicks and buy, you get a commission. The strategy here is learning how to build content platform, blogs, YouTube channel, or even niche Instagram pages, and then integrate affiliate links smartly. Tools like Impact, CJ Affiliate, and Share Sale can help you find program. But remember, the more trustworthy your content, the better your affiliate conversions. Then we have influencer marketing. This has exploded in last 5 years. Brands are realizing that instead of spending crores on TV ads, it's more effective to be partnered with a YouTube or Instagram influencer with a loyal following. For example, a skincare brand might collaborate with a beauty blogger who already has trust in that niche. The power here lies in authenticity. People don't trust ads, but they do trust people they follow. A great example is how Mamaearth scaled massively in India using influencer marketing on Instagram and YouTube. For learning this, tools like Affluence, Aspire IQ, and even simple Instagram analytics are helpful to identify influencer and track performance. And now let us come to the future of marketing, which is AI and geo-targeting. AI is revolutionizing market as we speak. Tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Midjourney are making content creation faster and even smarter. AI-driven platforms can predict which audience segment is more likely to buy and optimize campaigns automatically. For example, Netflix uses AI not just for content recommendation, but also for personalized email marketing that brings user back to the platform. Geo-targeting is another big shift. Imagine you are running a coffee shop in Delhi. Instead of wasting money on ad across India, you can just target places like Connaught Place or Gurgaon audience with localized ad. That's the power of geo-marketing. MACD does this brilliantly. They show you location-based deals and offer depending on where you are. So if I summarize everything, digital marketing is a holistic skill set, but at its core, it's always about marketing and sales. Whether you're writing content, running ad, or partnering with influencer, the end goal is growth. Learn SEO to bring traffic, learn social media to engage, learn product and performance marketing to convert, and explore affiliates and influencer to expand and reach. And finally, embrace AI and geo because that's where the future is headed. Now that is all for this video. You can find a detailed map in the description below. Thank you and see you in the next video.